5 grams. And what's next? These are the food supplement kit. It has some tablets inside, I think. See, these are the tablets. These are the fiber sachets. Here, these are the fiber sachets. And let's see what's inside it. I don't know what is this. Something. Okay, ouch. How to open it? Yes, from here. I can open it from here. So here's aloe vera gel. It's a drink and it's 99.7% aloe vera gel in it, so it's almost very pure, and it's sugar free. That is the very nice point about it. And what's next? I think it's another bottle. It's another bottle of aloe vera gel. Open it, and here it is. So here is my 9C pack. It's empty now. So these are the items which I have got. Okay, like this, this, and this. So guys, soon I'm going to start with my detox plan C9, and I will give you the complete follow-up, how it works and what are the pros and cons of this detox plan. I'm doing it first time, so I will give you the complete review in my next video. Till then, bye.